Welcome to Poetrymix. Water damage restoration in Portland, Oregon, USA. Introduction. Portland, Oregon, renowned for its lush green landscapes and vibrant city life, is no stranger to heavy rainfalls and potential water damage. When water disasters strike, whether from severe storms, burst pipes, or flooding, prompt and efficient water damage restoration is essential to minimize further damage and restore homes and businesses. In Portland, a range of professional restoration services are available to help residents navigate the challenges of water damage and bring their properties back to life. Immediate response and assessment. When water damage occurs in Portland, the first crucial step is an immediate response. Professional restoration services understand the urgency and are equipped to handle emergencies promptly. They provide 24/7 emergency services, ensuring that trained technicians can arrive on-site swiftly to assess the extent of the damage. Experienced restoration professionals conduct a thorough evaluation of the affected areas, determining the source of the water damage and assessing the structural integrity of the property. This assessment helps create a comprehensive plan for restoration, outlining the necessary steps and resources required to mitigate the damage. Water extraction and drying. The primary objective of water damage restoration is to remove excess water and thoroughly dry the affected areas. Restoration professionals utilize advanced equipment, such as powerful pumps, dehumidifiers, and air movers, to extract water and accelerate the drying process. Water extraction is performed efficiently, removing standing water from floors, carpets, and affected surfaces. Following extraction, dehumidifiers and air movers are strategically placed to circulate dry air, minimize humidity, and promote evaporation. This process prevents further damage, such as mold growth and structural deterioration, which can occur if moisture is left unchecked. Cleanup and sanitization. Water damage often involves contaminated water, posing potential health risks. Professional restoration services in Portland prioritize the cleanup and sanitization process to ensure a safe and healthy environment. Trained technicians employ specialized cleaning agents and disinfectants to remove debris, sanitize affected areas, and eliminate bacteria and pathogens. This step is essential for safeguarding the well-being of occupants and preventing potential health issues. Restoration and reconstruction. Once the affected areas are thoroughly dried and sanitized, the restoration process begins. Restoration professionals in Portland have the expertise to repair and rebuild damaged structures, restoring properties to their pre-loss condition. From replacing damaged drywall and flooring to repairing electrical systems and restoring damaged fixtures, these professionals handle every aspect of the restoration process. They work closely with homeowners and businesses to ensure that their vision is incorporated into the restoration, paying attention to details that enhance the aesthetics and functionality of the space. Insurance coordination. Navigating the complexities of insurance claims can be overwhelming in the aftermath of water damage. Restoration services in Portland often provide assistance in coordinating insurance claims and working directly with insurance companies. This alleviates the burden on property owners and ensures a smoother process for financial reimbursement. Conclusion. Water damage restoration services in Portland, Oregon, play a vital role in helping residents recover from the devastating effects of water disasters. With their prompt response, thorough assessment, efficient water extraction, cleanup, and restoration expertise, these professionals restore hope by revitalizing homes and businesses.